Welcome back, everybody. All three of my fans. Well, not fans, but followers. Today we're replacing my clutch master cylinder, which is leaking. It's tick performance, and I'm really upset. But it lasted 5 years, and I bought it used. Maybe 6 years. So here's the new one. Tools required, I have no idea, because I haven't gotten that far. But there's the new one. That's what's included. If your Tick Master cylinder is leaking, it's $130 from Tick, and everyone knows it's a pain in the ass to replace. And also, my girlfriend, who just saw fixing her hair, bought me some valve covers, which I'll be installing. I ordered the required coil packs from Summit. Supposed to be here today, and they're not here yet, and it's about 4:30. It's about 4:30, so UPS better get their ass here. Okay, time to start disassembly. Bye.
Yeah. He's bad.
There it is.
I mean, he's not.
The parts are here.
He's just
Literally, probably 2 minutes after I complained that they weren't here yet. What's going on? That's a huge box for what I think is... Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Ow! Ready? 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 Don't look at me. Cool. Huh.
Those look nice.
Really big box for this stuff. They do look nice.
That is a big box over there.
It's huge.
That's what she said.
They go like that on the car. So that's cool. I just complained about them not being here, and then they showed up. So most of you might know what an LS one looks like without nice, cool red coil packs and nice, cool looking valve covers, but this is my engine bay before we install the nice, cool shit. So yeah, that's it. I think I need these bolts. One, I'm not playing music in the video. I think I need these bolts off the old ones. And if I do, that sucks. Because I want new bolts. 16 new bolts to make this look like pure sex. Alright, so we got some new hardware instead of that old jank shit. Oh, I'm stuck. And yeah, we're doing the easy job first, which is stupid, but we're doing it. I like how they look. They look cool. Coil packs are from Summit. They were $300. The valve covers my girlfriend bought, they were $200. So far, between me and my girlfriend, $500 has been spent, and this is for looks. It looks cool though. Wait till you see the finished product. All right, update. I don't even know what cylinder that is, honestly, on the back, passenger side. Is that 7? Is it 9? Is this cylinder 9?
It'd be like 8.
Is it 8 though? I don't know what side they're on. Whatever, argument over. I might be wrong, correct me in the comment section. Passenger side, is that odds or evens? So back here, that coil pack, there's no room to get the bottom bolt in. So we have to remove the heater hose from the heater core just to put in one bolt. Yep, F-bodies. Let's tuck the engine under the cowl so that, actually I don't know why they did that. I think it's so the engine's back further, so it's weight distribution.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Handles like shit still, so. And Anna's having a blast. She's our DJ. But we don't play music during the video because then YouTube's not going to pay me the thousands I'm paid because there's music in my video that's not authorized.
Copyright.
Oh, copyrighted. I don't have copyright rights.
Get it right.
You get it right. And we're back. The new stuff is on. And guess what? Here, wait. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It doesn't start. It huffs and it puffs and it does not blow the man down. Isn't that the saying?
You can't knock the man down, man.
No.
Puff, puff.
Blow your house down.
Blow your house.
They're
No.
like little pigs. One makes his.
Oh, it's ho ho, blow the man down. It's a sailor song. That's what I was thinking.
You are mixing up two.
I'm mixing up two folk tales. Anyways, it doesn't fucking start. I don't know if it's a harness. We switched them from side to side. That doesn't change anything. Does the same thing. So, it's a nightmare. We're gonna move on to changing the clutch master cylinder, I think. Or we'll do more diag on this garbage.
Kids.
Oh shit! Alright. It backfired. Or whatever the hell that was. So that's what it's doing.
The mechanic's here.
It's not firing, yeah. Her ASE certified jacket's at home. It's got all the patches on it. So we installed the coils. Then we installed the harness on each side. Did the same thing that it did now. We switched the harnesses, still doing this. I just explained that in the last video, I think, the last clip. I don't know, I'm frustrated, I'm repeating myself.
Battery.
Yeah, battery. This is how you jacking up, body. Fucking quarter-inch at a time. And for those 20 minutes or less, I'm struggling.
It's not going up. I hope you know that.
It's going up. Okay. To be continued. We still can't figure out why it's not starting, and the clutch master cylinder, just not feeling it. So we're gonna wash up and go get ice cream. Hashtag dieting. So we will finish this another day. Today is Thursday, probably finish it, or hope to finish it, Sunday. So we'll see. I want to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, which is nobody, because I barely have any subscribers. So the battery went dead because we tried too many times, which was only twice, to get this MFer to start. And now I'm gonna just go buy a new battery because my car has cranked slow for many years. My friends give me shit. And I'm sure you've heard it in my videos how slow my car cranks. So let's go buy a battery. So even with the new battery, well, okay, that doesn't matter. But the new battery, it cranks over great. And it's honestly a mystery. I get spark from the new coils, but on one of the connectors, the plug did not spark. Who?
My dad. You want to charge your car?
BRB.
Hello?
Okay, like I was saying, it's a mystery. Except my good friend who gave me the harnesses that I needed just told me that they're wrong. There's some sort of there's a fusible link in them, which I guess that they're not usable. Whatever that means, they plugged in like they should have, so I'm gonna go buy some tonight at Summit, which is about a 30 to 40 minute drive away from my house after the rib burn off. So maybe we'll get it going tonight. Can you see that in the background? The laser pointer fun? To be continued.
What?
Okay, it's Friday. When did we work on this last? A week ago? Sunday? Sunday.
Was it? Okay.
It was Sunday. So now we're gonna try these new harnesses.
Wait, Tom was here.
Yeah. On Saturday. Tom didn't come over Sunday. You're right. Anyways, to catch you up on what you missed, which was nothing because we haven't done anything since last time, is Anna and her dad went to Jags in Delaware, Ohio, 2 hours away. Anna and I, after I got off work, went to Summit, 45-minute drive. They had to pick up one at Jags, and then we picked up the other one at Summit. And I hope this is the problem. You'll find out shortly. Alright, so we just learned a lesson with this stupid wiring harness, AC Delco, for LS3 coil packs, and Summit Racing, like red coil packs, I don't know, 72 millimeter LS3 coil packs, the ones I've been talking about this entire video. Coil pack, damn it. Here, I gotta show you. We can't do this angle the whole time. Let's see. I gotta show you what I'm talking about. The coil packs have this gray insert there where the plug goes. It's not gonna focus. You can kind of see it. It's a stupid plastic insert to help the plug line up with the pins, and the shape of the connector. Yeah. It doesn't fit with that gray insert. So if you buy the Summit Racing coil packs and the AC Delco harness for LS3 coil packs, they don't fit. You have to pull those gray inserts out and then it will plug in. It might take a little bit of extra effort the first time. That's what she said. But you'll get it. She's not having fun. I'm just prepared for disappointment. Basically. I should close the cutout in case it does start. Oh, it's already closed. All right. Here we go. We got the exact same. Day 300, we're back. And we have more wiring issues. And that's about it. And I might have to charge my brand new battery up because we've been cranking it over so much that it's probably drained. She agrees. She's really excited. What? Time to start. Alright, what are my odds of it starting?
Not great.
Oh, alright. Like 1 out of 100 or 1 out of a million?
Middle of that.
So you're saying there's a chance. That's a movie quote. It's the same thing no matter what I do! I feel like a champion. Okay. I'm ready to buy new valve cover gaskets and put everything back to stock. And then try and start it. And bench test coil packs. That's what I'm ready to do. I'm ready to bench test coil packs. And then how we prove that they're bad, if they're bad, and try to get money back from Summit. Or not, you know what? They just fucking give me another set. if I can prove that these are bad. I've switched the wires around. My friends keep saying check fuel pressure. But it started before I changed coil packs. All I did was change coil packs and the wires. That's all that's changed. Why would fuel pressure be down? So, well, aftermarket doesn't always work like you think. That's the truth. So I don't know what to do right now. We went back to stock. So now it's gonna hopefully start. And if it doesn't, I'm walking away and I'm not touching this car for, I don't know, a couple weeks, maybe a month, take the insurance off. We'll see. Okay, so if this will cooperate, returned the Summit coil packs to get the big dogs. The overpriced, but is gonna get the job done product. So they're installed, and now we'll try and start it. But first, let me take a selfie, but not really. Set up this to send a snap to my car friends. All right, there goes nothing. Maybe I have the wrong harnesses. Maybe I should sell my car. So the coil packs, $450. The harnesses, $180. And you bought Valve Covers $210. That's $840. I don't want to talk about.
What just happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
I asked Corey, are you sure you have everything plugged in?
And I wasn't sure. As I plug in 4 spark plug wires. I'm gonna get so much shit. Alright. Now hopefully I didn't ruin these coil packs.
That's good.
Alright, maybe we should try it with all 8 plug wires plugged in. If it's the same thing, you think it's gonna be the same?
I don't know.
It's the same thing. Happy July 4th, everyone. The car runs. Is that smudged? Okay. Happy July 4th. The car runs. The new coil packs are on. I'm happy. And new clutch master cylinder. Anyways, I'll explain the confusion with how I was confused. Here's what was wrong with the car, or with what I did. The wiring harnesses for the coil packs were flipped. So this plug was in the back, and the back plug was up here. So that's why the car wouldn't run, both sides. And to explain why I was confused, here's an example. Okay, that plastic on the bottom, see how it clips onto the bottom? Like that. Right? Right. Well, my new ones, they had this plastic guide. And I looked at how it was on the factory bracket. So I thought that the flat part that you see, which faces the metal, would be facing up. And that's how I had the harnesses plugged in. The flat part of the plastic was pointed up. Apparently that's fucking wrong. The rounded part faces up. So I flipped it so the rounded part of that plastic was facing up and the car fired right up and it runs fine. So I was very misled by this factory design. Or maybe I've got the harnesses on the wrong side and that's why they were flipped upside down. I don't know, but the car runs now and that's all I give a shit about. So, yeah. I cause a lot of my problems. And I know that. And that's okay. Anna is on her way over and she does not know the car's running. I kind of was too excited to flip these frickin' harnesses. My friend Linkus was like, yo, flip the harnesses. And I was all like, okay. So I did it and he was right. So now I have to adjust my clutch master cylinder because I can't drive it with the way it's out of adjustment so far. Okay, I hope this video didn't really suck. There was a lot of aggravation. Really nothing happened though. Nothing exciting. And if you're still watching, I'm surprised. And I'm really happy for you. Actually, I'm really happy that you're still watching. If you're watching. Okay. Bye. Time to get drunk.